panel members sitting on right of me. When we talk about startups, everything is changing at a lightning speed. Today there is a startup which has started. It is disruptive in nature, but suddenly we came to know that okay, there is some startup with the same business model, with the same product, is also working in Bangalore. So in this scenario, when everything is uncertain, how you decide to invest in a company, in a startup? What are like the parameters which you look for? Ashish?
So, the first clarification I want to do is, the perception is that we as investors, we pick entrepreneurs. That's not correct. Entrepreneurs pick us, right? That's reality, right? In current market, if you just look at stock markets, real estate, everything, right? People are saying cash is king. In our trade, cash is commodity. And that will never attract you top entrepreneurs, right? It's the connect you look to build, right? Think of it sometimes getting into a relationship, a marriage, and for some people it's a love at first sight. You the two folks meet and you say this is what it is, and we're going to start working together. Some people the bell rings or the bell strikes after 4 or 5 conversations. Sometimes I think Tushar was mentioning that there are 40, 50 investors. I have to meet them. It's just a waste of time. But that we have to go through the process to find that soulmate. From a business perspective, that connect as well, right? And I think that's what we look for, right? So the whole idea is, like it or not, we're the one who going to the entrepreneurs to saying, I share your passion for the idea, and this is the way we can contribute, and you look to team up together to build something together, and that's the fast-changing reality, right? So from my perspective, yes, we're investors, but it's a strange sort of a job that I have to actually put money on the table to get some work to be done, right?